Paul Pasolga, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 31st question for Digital SAT Test 1 Math. 31 reads, circle A in the xy plane has the equation of x plus 5 quantity squared plus y minus 5 quantity squared equals 4. Circle B has the same center as circle A. The radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. The equation defining circle B in the xy plane is x plus 5 quantity squared plus y minus 5 quantity squared equals k, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? In order to understand this question, you need to know standard form for a circle, which is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And here what we get is x comma y is the endpoint. Now what's meant by that is if that's a circle, it's a terrible circle, but it's a point that lies right on the circle. That's the endpoint. And it'll work if you plug it into the equation. Here h comma k is the center. And if you notice, it says minus h and minus k, but the center's positive h, positive k, so it's opposite, opposite. So the center of the two equations given here are actually negative 5 comma positive 5. Those first two things we don't need to know in order to answer this question. In order to answer this question, what you need to know is that r is the radius. So in other words, if r is the radius, then 4 is r squared, because notice over here it says equals r squared. So if it equals r squared and it equals 4, then if I set r squared equal to 4, take the square root of both sides, we get that the radius is 2 for that equation. So now if the radius is doubled, then the radius, the new radius, the radius here, radius equals 4 for that, which means that r squared is equal to 16. So the value of k is actually 16, not 4. So bubble in at 16. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with anyone who has trouble with circle questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.